Good morning, all of you. Let us continue our chapter 14 Rupees and Paise. Now, today we are going to do some shopping. Yes, you might have gone with your parents many times to buy your toys, your pencil, eraser, notebooks, and all. So, here also we have to just see that when we buy some things, we have to pay money. Yes, you have seen your parents pay money when they buy something. So, here they are going to buy many things but in different ways, and we have to find the total cost. Okay, costs are given here. If you see, each thing they have given the cost. See here, ball, for one ball it is rupees 7 each. They have written each means for one. Same way, top it is rupees 2 each. Toy car it is rupees 15. Same way, giraffe rupees 6.50 means 6 rupees and 50 paise. And here puppet or dolls they have given name 8 rupees 8 each. And notebooks rupees 5. Pencil rupees 2.50 means 2 rupees and 50 paise for one pencil. Now here they are asking what is the cost of one ball and one toy car. Means what we have to do? We have to add 7 and 15 because one ball cost rupees 7 and one car cost rupees 15. So I have underlined both of them. You see, red color I have underlined. So you have to add 15 plus 7. So just take 7 fingers and count after 15. What will you get? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So the cost is rupees 22. Now here they have given one notebook and two pencils. Means we have to see cost of one notebook and cost of first one pencil we should know. So one notebook cost 5 rupees and one pencil cost 2 rupees 50 paise. But here they have given two pencils. So what you have to do? You have to add first 2 rupees and 50 paise and 2 rupees and 50 paise. So how you will add? Just see, 2 plus 2 is 4. Paise you add afterwards. First you add rupees. So before point means they are rupees, after point means they are paise. So 2 plus 2 is 4 rupees and 50 plus 50 is 1 rupee. Yes, that day we have seen that when we add 250 paise we get 1 rupee, that is 100 paise. So 2 plus 2 4 and this 1 rupee, it becomes 5 rupees. So cost of 2 pencils is 5 and cost of 1 notebook is also 5. So 5 plus 5 is rupees 10. So what is the cost of 1 notebook and 2 pencils? It is rupees 10. Now you see they have given 2 bananas and a glass of milk. Now first we have to find cost of 2 bananas. Now here they have given 1 rupee and 50 paise. So we have to add 1 rupee and 50 paise 2 times. See here. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 50 plus 50 is again 1 rupee. So 2 plus 1 rupee is 3 rupees. So bananas, 2 bananas we get for 3 rupees. And glass of milk they have given 3 rupees and 50 paise. So now you have to add 3 and 3 rupees 50 paise. So 3 plus 3 is 6 and then 50 paise. Add rupees first and then you go to paise. So it is rupees 6 and 50 paise. Now next one doll and a ball. So it's just simple. We know ball is 7 rupees and doll is 8 rupees. Just add both of them. What will you get? You will get 15. So one doll and a ball cost rupees 15. Now last one they have given one glass of lemon juice and a packet of biscuits. So lemon juice they have given 3 rupees. See here, lemon juice they have given. It is one glass is 3 rupees and biscuit pack is 4 rupees and 50 paise. So you have to add both of them. So 3 plus 4 is 7 and then 50 paise. Okay, paise you have to add afterwards. First you add the rupees. So 4 plus 3 is 7 and 50 paise you can write just like that. Now next one, Find out the total cost of one toy giraffe, one copy means one notebook, and a glass of lemon juice. So you are going to add for toy giraffe, one notebook and a glass of lemon. So toy giraffe is 6 rupees 50 paise, one notebook is 5 and lemon juice is 3. So now I will add first 6 rupees plus 5 rupees plus 3 rupees. What will I get? I will get 14 rupees, and then we will write this 50 paise. So answer is 14 rupees and 50 paise. Now here one glass of milk, one packet of biscuits and a banana. So again what I will add? 3 rupees 50 paise is milk, one packet of biscuit is 4 rupees 50 paise, and banana is 1 rupees 50 paise. So then I will add 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 1 8. Now here I have underlined 50 paise. Both the 50 paise means it will become 1 rupee. So 8 plus 1 9 rupees, and this remaining 50 paise I will write as it is. So what is the cost? 9 rupees and 50 paise. Now here it is given one notebook, 2 pencils and 2 erasers. So one notebook, one pencil is 2 rupees 50 paise. They have given 2 times 2 pencils and 2 erasers. So 2 times I have written. Now 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 10, 11, and this 50 plus 50 1 rupee more. So it becomes 12 rupees. Now this you will do yourself as we have done here. Same way you write cost of 2 tops, then 3 toffees and 2 bananas, and add all of them. That is the cost. And don't forget to write rupees. We have to always write rupees. When we write the cost, you should write rupees and use that symbol which I have told you that day. That symbol you use. Okay, you in your textbook they have given RS only. See here they have given RS only, but you should have practice of writing the new symbol of. Now here they have given, if you have a 20 rupee note, what all things you can buy. The given cost of the things you have to see, and it should not be more than 20 rupees because you have got only 20 rupee note. So one example they have given, you will buy one toy car, that is 15 rupees, one lemon juice, that is 3 rupees, and one banana, that is 1 rupee 50 paise. So if you see 15 plus 3 18 and 19.50 and 19 rupees 50 paise. So it is not more than 20 rupees. So such things you have to write 3 things which are not more than 20 rupees. It can be up to 20 rupees because you are having only 20 rupees in your hand. So one example I have given, you can write one ball, that is 7 rupees. Then 2 tops, 2 rupees 1 top. So 2 tops and 1 giraffe, that is 6 rupees 50 paise. So when you add, you should not get more than 20 rupees. One more I have written, one toy car, one eraser, because one eraser is only 1 rupee, and one pencil. So when you are writing, you should see that when you write one toy car is more cost, so other things should be of less cost, then only you can buy for 20 rupees. And these two you will do yourself. Okay, try it at home. Now here they have given cash memo. Many times you are going to shops, you are going to quality shop in Chitralaya, so they give you such cash memo. Bill dete hain, है ना, receipt dete hain. Even in society when you go, they are giving computerized bill. So what they actually write, you see they write here item, what you have brought. Then this column is rate per item, means एक का क्या cost है. 5 इरेजर्स यानी यहाँ 5 इरेजर्स का कॉस्ट नहीं, एक इरेजर का कॉस्ट है. यहाँ एक पेंसिल, यहाँ एक नोटबुक और यहाँ एक ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क. एंड व्हेन वी आर राइटिंग नेक्स्ट वन रुपीज एंड पैसे, it is for 5 erasers. Now you are writing here cost of 5 erasers, 5 rupees. Here cost of 15 pencils, because one is 2 rupees, so 15 pencils will cost 30 rupees. Now here 3 notebooks cost. Looking at this, you should understand this is cost of 1 notebook, this is cost of 3 notebooks. Now here 5 glass of milk is 17 rupees and 50 paise. And at the end total is done. You have to add paise first and then rupees. When you are adding in cash memo or just when you are adding like this, you have to add first as we do in addition, last digit first, units place first, then tens place, then hundreds place. You remember no how we add? Same way we have to add. And then total is 67 rupees 50 paise. So when we buy this, we will pay 67 rupees and 50 paise. Okay. Now one more cash bill is given. Here you see actual cash bills are in this form. This is just given in your textbook, but actually date is written, the name of the shop is written, then bill number is also written on cash memo. When we are taking the bill, even the number is written. Now here also same they have given sitting bench, they have brought 50 quantity यानी कितने ला है, and then rate means this is for one sitting bench cost rupees 1200. See, benches are so costly, so you should take care of your benches in school and all. And then 50 means 60,000 they have paid. And writing desk which you are using, you are sitting in your school, they are the writing desk, they are for 1500 each. And you see the blackboard, it is 3000. This cost are actually less nowadays. The cost are more. So you should take care of all these things. This is just for your example. You don't write how the cash memos are prepared. So here actual amount is written. This is for 1 and this is how many they have brought. So here 50 means 1200 into 50. So it is 60,000. Same way 1500 into 50, 3000 into 2. And then at the end total is written in cash memo. That is the amount we have to pay to the shopkeeper. Now here they have given that you yourself make one cash memo and write here. So just now we have written what all things we are buying for 20 rupees. So same first one I will cover here. I wrote there 1 ball. So what is cost per item? 7 rupees. So I have brought only 1 ball. So it is 7 rupees and 0 paise. Okay. The next one, 2 tops I wrote. So first you have to write here cost of 1 top, that is rupees 2. But I have bought 2 tops. So that is 4 rupees and 0 paise. And then 1 giraffe. So it is for 1 giraffe it is rupees 6 and 0.50 means 6 rupees 50 paise. So I will write here 6 and here 50 paise. Now total also we have to do. So here 0 plus 0 plus 0 units place I am adding, that is 0, then this 5, then 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 7 17. As we add usually in the same way we have to add last digit first, means ones place, tens place and then hundreds place. So we have seen it is 17 rupees 50 paise, it is less than 20. So that one is correct. So similarly you can do for all the 4 in your notebook or in textbook itself you do. Now here Monu prepared the following cash memos and we have to check these, are they correct, and if they are wrong we have to correct them. Now first one you see they have given 1 ball. This is rate for 1 item. Per item means for 1 item. And this is the total amount what they have to pay for 1 ball. So 1 ball costs 7 rupees. So Monu has calculated it as 7 rupees and 0 paise. So it's correct. 3 pencils. First we have to write cost of 1 pencil, that is 2 rupees 50 paise. So 3 pencils will cost 7 rupees and 50 paise. Then 5 toffees. 5 toffees, first to write here cost of 1 toffee, because they have not given, you have to fill this. So cost of 5 toffees is 2 rupees and 50 paise. If you are not able to add properly, you write 50 50 50 5 times and then when you take 250 paise, it becomes 1 rupees. In that way you count. Now find the total. You have to add, as we add, first ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, then 0 plus 5 plus 5, 10. So 1 is carried, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, and 1 is carried, that is 17. So this cash memo is correct, only you have to write here cost of 1 toffee. Now second one, you see they have given 1 toy car, and here they have not written cost of 1 toy car, that you write. So it is 15 rupees, so this is correct. Now 3 glass of milk, so that is 3 rupees 50 paise, 1 glass of milk cost. So what is for 3 glasses of milk we have to pay? We have to pay 10 rupees and 50 paise. So you have to cut 0 and write there 50 paise, because 3.50 we have to add 3 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9, and 50 plus 50 paise is 1 rupee. So that becomes 10 rupees and 50 paise remaining. So write 3 times and then add and see. Same way, 4 notebooks, 1 notebook is 5 rupees. So cost of 4 notebooks is 5 fours are 20 rupees. So paise is 0 here. Now we will add 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Then here 0 plus 5 plus 0 will come 5. So we will get here 50. And then here 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. And 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. So this is correct. So total cost is 45 rupees and 50 paise. Now here they have given 1 toy car is 6 rupees 50 paise. So car amount is actually, we know it is 15 rupees. So first we have to write here correct amount. So here what we will get, rupees will be 15 and paise will be 0. And when you see, these costs are correct. For pencil, 1 pencil it is 2 rupees 50 paise, 1 toffee 50 paise, 1 biscuit packet 4 rupees 50 paise. So 3 pencils will cost 7 rupees 50 paise, 7 toffees will cost 3 rupees 50 paise, and 1 biscuit packet is 1 rupees 50 paise. Now when we add these all 0 0, here 0 we will get, and then 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15. So 5 here and 1 is carried. So when we add here 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 4 14, plus 5 19, and 1 was carried. So 20. So 0 will come and 2 will be carried. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So when you calculate here, we will get 30 rupees. So total amount is 30 rupees and 50. Now here they have given add the following. So as we add in other numbers, same way you have to add for rupees and paise also. Only here they have given point. Actually here point means 12 rupees and 50 paise, 13 rupees and 0 paise. So first you put point under the decimal point. This is called decimal point. So just put point first. Then as you add 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, and 1 plus 1 is 2. And don't forget to put rupees. So answer is rupees 25.50, yani 25 rupees and 50 paise. So same way you add these two. One subtraction I will show. This subtraction we will do. So here you see, here no number is there. So first you put here 0. Put the decimal point, then 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 1 minus 0 is 1. And then you put rupees. That is very important. Many times you forget to put rupees. When you do in notebook, write that rupees sign. Here as in textbook they have given RS. I have also used that RS only. But when you do in notebook, you write rupees as R and cut at the top. Okay. Now thank you. Bye.